Welcome to another travel edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. Hello, Karen.
Hi, Jeffrey. Welcome.
This is room, what, C103?
C103. So we actually have C101, which is next door at the very end, and C103. And you'll see...
I'm going to come around here because it's...
we just got back from the beach. We have been staying in this room for a week now, so please know that. And there's sand in the room because we've been on the beach and at the pool. They did bring us some nice wine.
Yeah, that looks great.
The room itself, I think, is fantastic. I love all the marble flooring. I love the bathroom, and we'll go in there afterwards.
Yeah, it's great. Let me just do a quick word. This is like a garden view, which, you know, we weren't really too excited about being on the beach and being down at this first level, but we were here for a function, so we're not complaining. The room is fantastic.
The room is phenomenal. But if you are coming to this resort, ask for something above the first floor. I mean, you're really here to see the ocean, so you know you deserve to see something on the second.
Nice deep soaker tub though. That's beautiful.
Fantastic, and they actually have bath salts that they replenish. So Jeffrey and I have been taking a bath every day. There is a separate toilet room. And then I think this is a phenomenal shower.
Oh yeah, it's a great shower,
it's really a beautiful size.
Yeah.
And you can have the rain shower or the handheld. You know, if I had to, and they also have these, everyone knows I love robes. These robes are fabulous. They're super soft on the inside, and the outside is this fresh, crispy, white cotton. Same with the bed. I love the bed. It's a nice weight for here.
Yeah, it's been very nice and comfy.
Yes, they do it European style, so there are no sheets. It's just one duvet cover. The pillows are great. On a, 5 pearls for the bed, I give it 5 pearls. It's been extremely comfortable, don't you think, Jeffrey?
Yeah, it's been great. We've been sleeping really well.
Really?
These blackout shades work really well too. Yes. It's nice and dark in the morning.
Yes, and at night they do have turn down service, so they will come in at night and they pull your bed down and they close the blackout shades, which is really, really nice, and it makes all the difference in the world. It really does.
Nice closet space too, right?
Great closet space. There's
drawers.
A safe in one of the drawers, lots of drawer space. This is fantastic. They have an espresso in here, and under here, I'm not sure what it looks like now. Again, we've been here, but you can see that there's tea and coffee, and they have some amenities, etc. We have had the coffee every day, and as you can see, some water bottles. I love the floors throughout here, and I love this motif. It feels very beachy, a little bit of an Asian flair, which I think is just, it's so lovely and calming and peaceful. I love this resort. In fact, we're talking about doing an event here next year. If I were going to give you any dings on the resort, the water has not been hot in the shower. We're not alone. The resort is completely full. So I don't know if that's something that always happens or it's just because the resort is completely full.
Well, I'm going to say, it's been chilly here for Mexico. It's been cold. You need a sweater at night, and it's even a little chilly with that if you're not out by a fire pit or something. So I think people are really sensitive to some people are actually asking for space heaters. We've heard, the water not being hot. I think when you're here and it's 100 degrees out, you're probably appreciative that the water's a little warm. But maybe that's what it is. But you expect a hotel like this, a JW Marriott, you expect hot water.
Look at the view out there, Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Yeah, you really, really do expect the hot water. And to be clear, it's January, the 3rd week, and it is chilly here, and you do need a sweater. Or even, I have a pair of sweatpants that I've been wearing. So that's been a savior as well. The food, let's talk about the breakfast here. The breakfast buffet is phenomenal. On a 5 pearls, I give it 5+ pearls. I'd give it 11 pearls if I could, but we do a 5 pearl scale. Fantastic. You can see there's a nice balcony right here. We've been in some of the other rooms. In fact, we were in the Ume suite, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, which is gorgeous. If you want to upgrade to a suite, I highly recommend that. It's way up, I think, on the 5th floor, and it overlooks the ocean, and it's so spacious, and you really can have a nice gathering in there. We were there for a cocktail party, and it was fantastic. So I have nothing but praise. The pools are great. We'll take some footage of the various pools. I think there's got to be 5 different pools here.
At least. Yeah.
At least. If you do have ambassador status, you get the breakfast continental for free, but not the full buffet. We happen to have gotten a rate that was breakfast inclusive, but I think it's about $45 per person. I'm gonna just go out on a limb and say that it's worth it because it is that great. We've been going to breakfast at 10, finishing at 11, and then we really haven't gone anywhere, for lunch at all. We've just been waiting for dinner because the breakfast is so incredibly beautiful and abundant. So, that's it for the room. And we're going to show you some other footage of the rest of the hotel. We'll show you the breakfast. We'll show you some of the pool area and all that. Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from Cabo, Mexico, the JW Marriott.
It's the main lobby. We'll walk you down to all the pools. We have these reflection pools. They're beautiful. Looking at the ocean. This spot here, great spot at night for sushi. We've got some great vegan options, great bar. Lots of reflecting pools out here. They've done a really nice job of that. Decided to take you guys down here before everyone shows up. The hotel is full, a couple weddings going on. So lots of people out taking advantage of the pools and whatnot. So I want to do a quick blow through here. Good news is there's lots of pools here, so that even though it's hotel's busy, it's always a spot. It's like a kids pool up here if you get kids. The next one's a kids pool. I guess that is too, because it's very shallow. Down here on the left is where breakfast is. Fantastic breakfast. Probably one of the best I've been to. This is the one with the kids pool. They have little animals over there that spray water up. Cute. Another pool here. Another pool down here. Bar here. There's some food in the afternoon, at night. There's a hot tub down here and a pool. That beautiful sunrise coming up. The adult pool's over here, and the pool bar, which is busy every day, whether it's cocktails down here. Kind of a fun place to hang out. We're down here for a wedding, so the crew is down here pretty much each day. And then the beautiful ocean out here. Take you down here to show you the water. This beach, they tell you to avoid swimming down here. It looks very calm right now, but this water can be really rough. Beautiful. Beautiful sunrise. Thanks for watching. Happy Sunday. Beautiful sunrise.
Good morning. This is the breakfast buffet at the JW. Absolutely incredible. Gorgeous plantains and a different vegetable every day. They always do a vegan bacon, and today it's carrot. My favorite is the eggplant. Yeah, thank you. Beautiful. And then we have some seafood, Mexican dishes over here. A variety of juices, although they have a juice bar, you can get whatever you want. Gorgeous. Look at that. It's just so abundant, more than you could ever want. All sorts of salsas and anything that you want right there, made fresh to order. And then we've got some beautiful oatmeal with all of the additions and fixins. And then the American pizza and cereal. Every kind of syrups that you could want, caramel sauce, chocolate sauce, everything. And then this is one of my favorites. They've got a gorgeous juice bar, and you can get whatever you want. This breakfast is by far one of the best, if not the best. I'm going to just go ahead and give it the winner that I've ever experienced.